Hi everybody, my name is Daniel and I'm a Global Style Council member for KMS. Today I want to talk to you about why the KMS Dry Wax is my personal hero at the moment. Especially working in the salon with clients, they often struggle at home to get the cute little messy hairstyles in shape and apply the wax into their hair. And this one is my solution for them. As you get a finer application, as it is a spray wax, it will easier for the clients to get it into the hair. And also if there's little corner which needs slight adjusting, this is the right product because doses you can get out of the spraying system is like really fine and really nice. So that's why it helps my clients to get their spiky haircuts, textured haircuts, short haircuts right. And therefore my hero product is definitely the KMS Dry Wax at the moment. So if you're interested to see more KMS stylings from a lot of creative stylists around the world, you should check out this channel. KMS Pro YouTube channel has a lot to offer when it comes to hair creativity.